Look at the texture on this chrome. So much history right here in the rust.
Just a gentle flow to start, making sure to loosen all the grime before we get into the details.
Look at that shine. Getting all the grime off this classic Panhead. Almost done now.
We use a pressurized stream of clean water to gently wash away the foam, revealing the pristine metal beneath.
Heavy wear on the rocker covers. This scratch here is deep, and the primary cover has seen better days.
Gently applying this thick, viscous gel to the oxidized surface, making sure we get deep into the texture of the metal here.
All right, guys, this is Redhead tank.
See the oxidation just melt away, revealing the chrome underneath.
First the brush to get the grime out of the texture. Now the polish, nice and slow. Look at that mirror finish on this vintage Harley part.
All right, lift it straight up. See that buildup right there? That's why we're tearing this down.
Now, gently sliding the feeler gauge into the top ring groove to measure the side clearance. We're looking at the 1955 Panhead transmission. These gears need to be flawless. We check every tooth for wear and tear. As you can see, the precision hone creates the perfect surface texture for the piston rings to seat properly.
A true masterpiece, the legendary 1955 Panhead. Every surface polished to perfection, ready to ride.
key is maintaining that even pressure. Now we wipe away the slurry to reveal the flawless finish underneath.
Look at that beautiful gloss. So smooth, so reflective. Just letting the paint flow over the metal. Just let it flow like glass. The reflectivity on this coat is perfect.
Look at that shine. The paint on this old Panhead is coming back to life. See how that mirror finish starts to emerge. That's what we're looking for. Ah, listen to that. That's exactly where she belongs. And now the triple treatment. All right, the front wheel for the 55 Panhead. Slide the axle in, torque it down, and listen to that spin. Okay, the axle slides right through, nice and smooth. Now for the torque wrench, hear that click. Perfect alignment. Restored Panhead controls. We've got the levers polished and the new grips fitted. Feels solid. See the reflection now. It's all in the details when restoring a classic like this.